Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our brand new 250 SLX by Sea Ray. This boat is the top of the line from Sea Ray, offering all the unique features such as a power hatch, power tower, and the curved windshield. If you guys want to take note, there is the teak sea deck in here, so it's very soft on your feet. You can walk around, it dries out very nice. Next I want to show you guys the twin Simrad display at the helm. Lets you see your components in the boat. Also, you can use it for the depth finder, fish finder navigation. All the accessories here within reach. Also have a tilt steering wheel and bolstered cushion so you can stand up, sit up taller. Next, I'd like to show you the head. This does have a pump out head, so all you need to do is take it to the marina, let them flush it out, clean it out for you. You don't have to worry about pulling a porta potty out or anything like that. From there, we'll go to the front. Nice big bow area. This also comes with a bow filler cushion, so you can lay up here. After that, we do have a windlass anchor. It's a stainless steel windlass anchor, so with the push of a button, the anchor will go down and lock you into place. And for when you pull the anchor out of the water, when it's all muddy and whatnot, there is a wash down right here, so you can spray it down and get it all cleaned off, not getting the mud on your boat. Well, again, this is the 250 SLX from Sea Ray. My name is Billy with MarineMax in Houston. Come see us.